Hi dear children, welcome to Maths class. Today you are going to learn net of the shapes. Okay, so you know 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. So today you are going to learn, so what is the net of this 3D shapes. Okay, so this is what children, so cuboid shape, that is 3D shape. So net means when you unfold this 3D shapes, you will get one flat surface, that is net of this 3D shapes, net of cuboid. Okay, what is net? So net means when you unfold the 3D object, unfold the 3D shape, we will get one flat shape, that is the net of that 3D object.
See this image children, what is this? A cube, so three-dimensional shape, cube. We are going to see the net of a cube. When you unfold this cube, you will get net of a cube, that is a 2D shape of the cube. Okay, so this is the net of the cube. Okay children, so it has same 6 faces, the 6 faces are equal, so this is net of cube. So when you again fold along this dotted line, you will get the same cube. Okay, so you children, what is this shape? Cuboid. Okay, so now we are going to unfold this cuboid. So what we get? We will get net of cuboid. So we will get one flat 2D shape, that is the net of this cuboid. Okay, next cone. So the cone, this is the net of the cone. Okay, dear children, what is this? This is a net of cylinder. It consists of one rectangle and 2 circles. So when you fold this net, so you will get the cylinder shape. Okay, so from this 2D shape you will get the 3D shape cylinder. Then we are going to do one activity, make a box using paper.
So dear children, today we learned nets of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. Okay, thank you.